Feels like the whole world's against me. When I'm down, ain't nobody helping me. Feels like I'm at my limit mentally. I gotta make it, it's my destiny. I might not have the answers to it all, but one thing I know, I'll keep on trying, 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 trying. No matter how many times I fall, no matter how low I go, no matter how many times I lose, I'll pick myself up again. A loss won't stop my growth, the pain won't stop my show. I'll still give life my all, I'll pick myself up again. I'll pick myself up again. I'll pick myself up again. Sometimes I feel lost and don't know where to go. Sometimes I feel like I'm moving way too slow. Sometimes I wonder, is this worth it all? I gotta make